Hello, my name is Wendy and welcome back to another video. Emma and I moved to Tokyo in Japan almost 4 months ago, and since then we have tried many different foods around Tokyo. In today's video we are going to Akihabara, where we are going to an all-you-can-eat Japanese beef restaurant called Nikuya Yokochou. We went there 15 minutes before the time of our reservation. The restaurant is on the 3rd floor. I had made our reservation a few weeks in advance to make sure that we could go there on a weekend. There are 2 different options for your meat. You can choose all-you-can-eat Wagyu beef for 6,980 yen with soft drinks and 7,980 yen with alcoholic drinks. Or you can have all-you-can-eat Kobe beef for 15,000 yen with soft drinks and 16,000 yen with alcoholic drinks. We went for the Wagyu beef. You can stay there for 100 minutes, but with the last order after 80 minutes. We were given this tablet to order any side dishes, which was all included in the price. They gave us the first plate of meat and our side dishes arrived quickly after ordering them. The first scissors we got were not very good, but they replaced them with another pair. To order more meat, you had to go up to this counter. You could choose between a small, medium or large plate. You could then choose which meat you wanted by saying the number next to it.
2 minutes.
The drink station had a soda machine, coffee, beer, wine and different types of spirits. We ended up paying 15,960 yen. So we really enjoyed the food yesterday and spent the full 100 minutes that we were allowed to be there, and probably ended up eating a little bit too much because I felt uncomfortably full by the end of it. So yeah, the food that you get there is the same as a Korean barbecue. The main difference here is just that it's all you can eat. So we've been to another Korean barbecue not far from where we live. I found that place online and looked up the menu just to compare the prices. And I definitely think we ate enough food to make up for the price. But yeah, I think for me, I would probably prefer to just go to a normal Korean barbecue. My main reason for that is that I would probably just prefer to just eat a normal amount of food and just pay for what I eat. I do like an all-you-can-eat kind of place, but all-you-can-eat meat, it was just a little bit too much for me. But yeah, it was definitely worth trying. If you're someone who can eat a lot of food, then I definitely recommend that you go here and try it. But if you're someone who can't eat too much, then I recommend that you just go to a normal Korean barbecue and save your money, because it'll definitely be cheaper then. But yeah, that is everything for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.